Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to upload videos on RedNote app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to upload a video, first what you need to do is just simply take a video, open up your camera and then just shoot a video. And once you are done with that, head over back and then open up your RedNote app. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here navigate to the plus icon on the bottom of your screen, and then here what you need to do is just simply select the video that you have taken and then tap on next. And once you do that, it will compose it, and once the composition is complete, here you will be sent to the editor page. Now you can either add in an effect or you can add in a text as well, and you have various layouts that you can use as well. And you can also add a sticker by simply tapping on the sticker icon right here. And once you are done with all that, simply tap on next on the bottom left corner of the screen, and once you are there, you will be sent to this post page. Now all you gotta do is enter in the title, and you can enter in your description as well. You can add locations, and then you can select either your video can be shown to everyone or it can be shown to your friends only. And once you tap on post, your video will be posted or uploaded. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.